Hello my people, welcome to our YouTube channel Victorious Family. Please, if this is your first time of seeing our video, please do us a favor by hitting the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. This way anytime we upload, you come and check it out. And if you are all subscribers, thank you for being with us, thank you for supporting us. God bless you. In video of today, I want to make neck bead and hand bead from Fondant. If you don't know what is Fondant, let me show you what is Fondant. Now let's start. Yes, this is Fondant. You see it? This is Fondant. So this is what I will be using to make the bead. And I want to make a neck bead and a hand bead. Yes. This is the Fondant. And this is grounded sugar. I don't want to use a flour for the, so it will not gum this place.
vibes on it, everywhere I go. Let's kick it, girl, you might kick it dough. Take you places never been before. Don't worry, baby, let's take it slow. Hold my hand and get ready to go. Oh, girl, you're the captain, let me take you out. We be like Tom and Jerry, let's go round and round. Girl, don't be afraid to hold my hand. Yeah, you gon' be like Cassie, meow, meow, meow. Say you made my heart go boom, boom, pow. Marco, Polo, we are up in this earth.
This is the end of my bead. You see it, I've made my bead neck, one for the neck. Yeah, this one is for the neck, and this one is for the arm. I make it from Fondant. Guys, thank you for watching. Please like and comment, give a thumbs up to this video. Please, guys, my family here, can you see what I just made with Fondant? Fondant, did you see it? Let me show you the Fondant. What is it? This is Fondant. You see it? Fondant. And I make traditional bead from it. Can you see it, guys? It's very beautiful. Beautiful. Can you see it? Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video.